In this example, we're asked to prove that these two triangles here and here are congruent. And we're given some information to help us. So let's write down that given information first. Here we're given that PR is parallel to QS. PR parallel to QS, it's marked. And that's of course given to us. We're also told that angle QPS is congruent to angle RSP. So QPS is this angle, and angle RSP is this angle right here. Alright, I wonder if we can make another statement based off of this parallel thing here. Well, if we look at these two parallel lines and imagine this is a transversal, we know that this angle and this angle are going to be congruent. Let's try to name them. RPS be good for the first one, and then QSP will be good for the next one. The reason is that alternate interior angles are congruent. Oops, there we go. We only have an angle and another angle. We need to have something else in here, and it's got to be a side. And if we look, PS is shared by these two triangles. So I'm going to make a congruency tick mark here, a couple of them, over PS. And our statement is simply going to be PS is congruent to PS. When you have one thing congruent to itself, that's the reflexive property. We are now allowed to prove that PQS is congruent to SRP, those two triangles. So we'll write that. We always want to write our prove statement as the last statement. And our reasoning here is angle side angle. That's the property or the postulate that allows us to prove that these two triangles are congruent.